Hey everybody, just thought I'd take you around, give you a bit of a tour of the aquaponics. I haven't posted any photos lately with a lot of stuff that's happened, as you know. So, here we go. Snow peas, mushroom plant, kangkong. There's a passion fruit vine. I've got some lily pillies that have come up from seed that I threw into the bed. These things, can't remember what I planted and they're not doing very well. I've just harvested some beetroot leaves and some lettuce leaves from there, so there's not much happening in that area. There's what I just harvested in 5 minutes for a salad. And we'll just duck into this tank and have a look. They're quite happy. That's all on that can of clay, expanded clay. The Brazilian spinach has gone crazy and pretty much nearly taking everything over. There's some marigolds came up from the plants that I had in there. I'll have to get them out before they seed. Capsicums, more kangkong, some pak choi. It's going pretty good. And there's some purple beans, I believe. Oh, there's a capsicum in the jungle. There's somewhere. There we go. There's one. And a couple more up there. More mushroom plant. It's pretty yummy. I've got to start eating more. I'll give you a bit of a quick look in here in this one. This water in this tank's always a bit mucky. Not sure what's happening, but it's working, so I'm not going to question it. This is the third bed. Duckweed's taking off. There's about 10 bazillion guppies in there. Now whether you can pick them up. Lemon balm, more lettuces. Some amaranth. Sorry, had to think for a minute. Some silver beet, more mushroom plant, the blueberries. I was still getting fruit off them last week. I got a few fruit. You can see some of them's dried up there, so I forgot about them. Experimental death trap there. I've got some cucumbers here. There's some cucumbers on that one there too. Cucumbers. They're all flowering. I think they're crystal apple from memory. More bloody marigolds. Stuff in this bed doesn't do really well. I'm not sure if it's because of the bluestone or the heat wave we've had, but you know, I'm pretty much picking strawberries, strawberry here and there, just enough to keep me interested. Trying these grow net pots just to see what happens. So chocolate black capsicums growing in those, and some gazanias. So that's about it, guys. It's pretty good, keeps me happy, keeps me busy. So I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, bye.